नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Devendra Kumar, Assistant Professor of English in Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today in this session, we are going to discuss the grammar translation method to teach English. This grammar translation method is a kind of method to teach foreign languages. This method is basically derived from the classical method of teaching in Greek and Latin. In grammar translation classes, students learn first of all grammatical rules and then apply these rules by translating the sentence between the target language and native language. For example, if we are going to teach the tense to the students, so following the grammar and translation method, what shall we do in the beginning? We have to make the student learn the rules related to the tense. Suppose we are teaching present indefinite tense, so all the how the sentence structure is, all these things will be taught to them. Then with the help of the mother tongue, the student will translate the sentence into English. So here the role of mother tongue or native language is quite very adequate, and students learn by differentiating the thing from native language to foreign language. So advanced students who are quite very brilliant, they may be required to translate the whole text word to word. Our method basically has two main aims. To, is, First one is to make the student able to learn and translate the thing into the source language. Another is, so student journal intellectual development will take place by this. And this method, grammar translation, is originated from the practice of teaching English in around 1500. So this classical method, uh, grammar translation method, the similarly places the little or no emphasis on actually speaking on the target language. The classwork is very highly structured with the teacher who control the all the activities of student. Here teacher is quite authoritative. He sometimes he also get irritated by the continuous error, because error takes place while we are actually dictating the things or the acquainting the with the rule to the student. That is a kind of same process. The classwork, as we said, is very highly structured, or this method basically focuses on the literature and grammar of that particular language. So therefore it tend to be very much text into or from mother tongue. Consequently, it tends to be very much text based, or typically the teacher gives instruction and grammatical explanation in the mother tongue, and with the help of that, students are enabled, empowered to learn the target language, or very little uh, emphasis is given on the pronunciation. First and important thing is to enable the student to read that particular target language. So let's sum up it with the feature of grammar translation method. Here mother tongue is used in this particular method. This method is very teacher centric, as teacher dictates the class he is authoritative, make the student to make frame the sentence into the target language. Yeah, one more thing. It actually helped the student to enhance the vocab, and this actually helps them in translating from native language to target language. Reading of literary passages, even at a very low level, with the reading of comprehension questions, this is also used, and it elaborates presentation of grammatical rules, memorization of grammar rules and vocabulary that plays a very significant role in grammar translation method. If students are not aware about the grammatical rule or they are having very poor vocab, then it is quite very difficult for them to translate or into the target language. Composition exercise based on the topic from the reading type, that is the practice that should be used by the teacher to acquaint the student about the foreign language. So this helps them to actually learn some vocab and the structure of the sentence of target language. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any doubt related to this session, please mention in the comment section. Thank you very much for listening to me patiently.